How to fix login error in minicabit application. First, if you're having any kinds of problem in the application, make sure that the device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on the control center and turn on your Wi-Fi or cellular data and connect to a secure network. By doing so, you shouldn't be facing any internet issues while logging in. However, if you're still facing login problems, go to your settings, click on General, click on iPhone storage, scroll down and navigate yourself to the minicabit application. Click on minicabit application over here and simply tap on offload app. Click on offload app again and reinstall the application. And what this does is it deletes the application whilst keeping its documents and data. And the next time you open the app, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your login. However, if something comes up, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.